Let's explore today's workflow powered by Velatir, a Danish innovation that brings trust, transparency, and human oversight into AI. Watch how it streamlines the job application process while keeping responsibility at the center. Today, let me introduce Velatir, a Danish innovation shaping AI with trust, transparency, and accountability. In this workflow, we'll see how Velatir ensures technology supports, not replaces, human oversight. Let's dive in. This workflow reviews a resume and cover letter with Samba Nova hosted GPT, OSS, and Velatir, then decides pass or fail. If pass, files go to HR. If fail, a polite email is sent. Next, I'll explain each node before testing with a dummy example. Node 1. Job application submitted. This node starts the flow when a candidate uploads their resume and cover letter. Node 2. Extract resume. This node extracts text from the uploaded resume file. Node 3. Extract cover letter. This node extracts text from the uploaded cover letter. Node 4. Merge application data. This node combines the extracted resume and cover letter text into one package. Node 5. Message, a model, Samba Nova. This node sends the application data to Samba Nova, hosted GPT OSS for AI evaluation. Node 6. Parse response. This node cleans and structures the AI's JSON response for further processing. Node 7. If statement. This node checks the AI decision, pass or fail. Node 8. Velatir. This node adds Velatir's oversight, ensuring transparency, compliance with rules like the EU AI Act, and keeping decisions aligned with human-centric governance. Node 9. Forward application to HR. If the application passes, this node sends the resume and polite rejection email. If the application fails, this node emails the candidate a polite rejection message. Now it's time for a quick test with a dummy resume and cover letter. First, we'll take a quick look at both files, then run the workflow to see if the application passes or fails. As we saw, the dummy resume failed. The candidate got a polite rejection email, and all decision details were logged in the Velatir dashboard, offering transparency, compliance checks, custom policies, and alignment with the EU AI Act for fair, accountable AI decisions. That's the power of Velatir in action. Try Velatir today for free and see how it brings trust and transparency to AI workflows. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.